What's up, guys? It's March 26th, 2024. Do a little bit of a quick one today. Been working tomorrow, but your boy's funded. I went in. Yeah, I went in. I was like range bound, reset, breakout. Market's like, oh man, I was only defunded for I think 3 or 4 days. Trading 3 or 4 trading days. I was defunded for like pretty much the whole month, but. And when I talk about like when I'm actually, I guess what I'm trying to say is that it took me 3 or 4 days to pass. Okay. Oh, now I'm gonna go so slow, super duper slow, and just uh, I'm so worried about blowing this up. I'm gonna go slow. I'm only trading 3 days a week now for about a month. Bar one, I mean not bar one. Big gap up. Bar one is follow through. Bar two looks like a pullback. Bar three is bouncing off lows here. We have a small range. Bar four is a doji. Bar five looks like a second leg down from leg two. I mean bar two. So leg one, leg two. And then bulls get a 2 bar reversal and go for a couple legs higher. I'm counting 3 legs from a fractal perspective. 2, 3. Here gets a double bottom range. And then bears get a leg one, leg two move. Leg one, pull back leg two. Market goes sideways here. Bulls try and break out above this. Market tests this high and fails. They keep the gap open. Bears keep the gap open. Not by much. Where is it? High of the bull candle. Right around there. High of the bear. So I guess they don't really keep the gap open. I mean, they do keep there. See the high of this candle? The bull candle can kind of come down like a scotch. So there's a red sell zone right there that stayed open. I didn't trade this from that perspective. I got short around here knowing because of double top, failed breakout, leg one, leg two, double top, failed breakout, no selling previously. I mean, no buying previously at highs. This wick, I didn't realize at the time. People that bought this are trapped. They buy more lower. They get out here at break even, make money on their second trade. So bears start to go into a bear channel and then it gets a bearish breakout. The market's still range bound. Because remember, at this point in time, we don't know that we're gonna get this breakout. So sideways, here's that's the floor, that's the support, top. Lots of overlap here. Leg one, pull back leg two. I mean, we can count 3 legs right here because they're opposite bars, or you can count this bear channel. Pull back into the double top, bear flag. That was off for about 3 bars. Bears fail to close below this, and then they go for leg one, pull back leg two, three. That's about a wedge top. There's a lot of wicks and highs. Trading at yesterday's high right here. Yesterday's high, 50%. Yesterday's low. We reject yesterday's high. We rejected a new high. One pull back leg two, possibly from this. And then this becomes a double top here, lower high, and the market starts to sell off. Bears start to pick up momentum. Good breakout bar, closing just below the 50%. There's actually more wick than body. But it gets follow through, and the follow through grows, and the follow through right here. This is the first pullback, and it reverses down sharply and gets another leg. I was playing around with this here. I usually do body to body, so I don't want to act like, oh yeah, I'm doing wicks. Body to body was met easily. I bet. Let's see, 2R. 3. Oh yeah, 2. 2R was met body to body, but I think 1R of wicks is also good. But I'm trying to be consistent, and I measure from the body. So body to body got 2R. There. So when I say body to body, I mean like this body, that body is the high. And yeah, that was tight enough to get 2R. Hard enough to count. I mean, hard enough. It was kind of hard to count leg one, leg twos while we were in a range because I was counting leg one, pull back leg two, pull back three, pull back leg four, pull back leg five, pull back. But I was also thinking this is also one major legs. That makes sense. And that was met pretty quick. Breakout of this. That was met here. 1, breakout. Oh, not met, but you know, the body was met. 1 to 1 here. When we break past yesterday's low. where are we in the market cycle? So the market cycle goes range, range, and that's the end of the market cycle. And then we get a breakout. And when we get the breakout, the market cycle resets. So at the breakout, we get the first pullback. Now the market's going to go into a channel phase. And then once the channel phase starts, eventually the market will range bound. So it was a quick one. Kind of tired. We got through like 1 or 2 moves. Where are we on the higher time frames? Going sideways into the trend line, it looks like. That every time we make a new high, we go sideways. Make a new high, go sideways. Not looking good for the bears. Climactic bar with no follow through, so we can't leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Good for the bears. Here, Bulls are trying to close above the EMA after hours, so I think it'll get spicy next month. This month has been tough. Honestly, out of any month for me to take off, I'm kind of happy with this month. I hope you guys didn't get crushed because look at this crap. Honestly, I'm sorry to say it, but sideways a little bit. This is an FOMC breakout. That's hard as hell to trade, to hold short with super deep pullbacks. Today was a tough day for sure. Yesterday I didn't trade it, but definitely giving props to the traders who did trade it yesterday because look at that overlap. Look at this overlap. Like you would think gap up, a little bit of continuation, but double top and sell. New low end of the day. Hope you guys are studying. I really appreciate your support and all the comments. I'm gonna keep grinding. I'm funded again. I feel so good. To say that, I felt like a dirtbag. Freaking, I was in the gulag this month, you guys. I've been thinking like going to this 9 to 5. I'm gonna hit my head through the damn computer, but yeah, I'm just gonna saddle up and go again. There's nothing else to talk about. Just gotta do it again. 4 months into the year, I feel like I'm in the same place as I was in January. So hopefully, I will learn, and if not, I'm blowing. You guys will be following it freaking. So hopefully I don't turn into a weirdo that just keeps blowing up. Hope you guys doing good. I wonder if you guys made it this far, tell me. Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you for your support. I hope everyone's doing good. Cherry Chick, hope you're doing good. Jared, I don't know where the hell you're at. Hope you hear this. Have a good one. Bye.